Hello class 2, how are you all doing? Here I am with your verb classwork worksheet of English language. We have done verb chapter, what are called verbs. Then we have done all the helping verbs like is, am, are, was, were. So this is the next chapter and probably your last chapter of English language, that is has, have, had. So I request all of you to open your English language classwork exercise book, put classwork and today's date, give the heading has, have, had. So here are the procedures where we can use have, had or had. The verb has or have or had show that something belongs or belongs to someone or something. Example, I have a younger brother, he has a toy car. These two above sentences tells us about present. These are the present tenses. My father had an old scooter, had an old scooter. That means it is about past. This sentence tells us about the past. We can use the verb have with you, I, they, we, and also used for more than one animal, person, or object. So, where can we actually use the verb have? With all these things and with the things like things, animals, persons, or object which have more than one. Like example, I have to go to the shop. We are using have with I. Elephants have big ears. Elephants, that means plurals. So more than one. So we are using have. Now comes with has. We use has with one person, object, or animals or place. Where we use has, where we are having one person, animals, or objects. Examples, Mumbai has many huge buildings. A cat has four legs. Rohit has a big car. So, all these are singular things. See, one is place, one is animal, one is person. Now, the last one is had. We have already did before. We use the verb had in case of past tense. That is, they had a car, he had a football. Maybe it is pronouns, maybe it is plural, maybe it is object, one or more than one. In the case of past tense, we use had. Okay, so this is the introduction part of this chapter has, have, and had. So, along with this, I have an exercise. We are going to do that, but you are supposed to write this first. Then, after finishing this, draw an ending line, and the exercise portion we'll do it in the new page. Yes, this is the exercise which we will do it in the new page. Number one, fill in the blanks correctly with has, have, or had. Our teacher has a new purse. Teacher, one person has. I have a pet dog, I so have. She has won many awards. I had a heavy breakfast in the morning. Had. In the morning, it's past, so we are using had. We have a picture book. Do you have a computer? See, we, she, you, so we are using have. She had a good night's sleep, though the sleep of the night we are talking about, which is past, that's why it had. An elephant has a trunk. Elephant, it says, yes, it is singular, one, so that's why had. If it would have been S elephants, it would have been have. He had been teaching for 10 years. 10 years past, had. I have a red hat. I hope you have understood this well. So do this in your English language exercise book. Copy this, go through this, and understand it thoroughly. I have made you understand in the video also in the previous class, because these things you are learning new. So go through this thoroughly. Thank you, class.